Hello friends, welcome to English Easylearn. Today, I'm not going to speak with you a planned talk. ஒன்னும் prepare பண்ணி ஒன்னும் பெரிய விஷயங்கள் உங்க கூட பேச போறதில்ல. Simply few things I'm going to talk with you. Majorly if you look at, people all want to speak English. Many want to speak English. So if you want to do something, what we have to do? First of all, we need a plan. We need a plan. And we need to work out for it. So when you want to speak English, are we doing any plan? Are we preparing? Are we getting into? Just think. கொஞ்சம் யோசிச்சு பாருங்க. நமக்கு எல்லாத்துக்குமே பேசணும்னு ஆசை இருக்கு. ஆனா பேசுறதுக்கு முயற்சி பண்றோமா? Are we trying to speak English? If we start, if we plan and if we get into speaking, definitely we will speak. For example, when you say a word work, we all know the word work. You know. So if you just apply it, I am working or I work every day, it becomes a right sentence. So if you plan, if you get into, definitely you will improve your English. In this world, not only in this entire world, people from all over the world, they all are planning to learn a language. English is also a language. It's just a mere language. It's not a knowledge at all. We need not learn by heart. If you speak, வாயை திறந்து பேசினா வந்துரும். தப்போ சரியோ, don't mind about it. Few days. If you make mistakes, don't mind about it. You never stop speaking. There are people, they may laugh at you, but that's not going to work out. Let them laugh. What is there? So you are trying to learn new thing. So there will be a laughing, there will be a fun, everything will be there. At last, there will be a result. You will have learned English. That is going to happen. So this channel, English Easylearn, will definitely help you in speaking English. When you start to speak English, don't mind about your grammar. Don't mind about grammar. Just start to speak with the words what you have. Say, I am here. Simple, I am here. I am in the terrace. I am going to sleep. I am in the restroom. I am bathing. Bathing. Just utter the word bathing. Brushing. Cooking. Cooking kitchen. Cooking in the kitchen. So like that. Just start to utter simple words. Then words into phrases. Phrases means without subject and predicate. And that doesn't matter. So just start to utter the phrases. In the terrace. Outside. In the car. Over the building. So like this, start to utter simple phrases. Then slowly, definitely, it will move into simple sentences. Make simple sentences. So definitely this video will encourage you to speak English. So here and there, one or two words, Tamil, I will try to use so that for your better understanding. Definitely you will learn to speak English if you get down to practice. Not only the language of English, any language, any work, when we start, we learn speaking, we learn succeeding. So it's a nice time I had with you. We'll meet the next video. Up to that, bye-bye.